Assalamu alaikum, dear beloved students of class 9. I am Abdullah Mamun. Welcome to our National High School. Today I will take you English second paper class. This is lecture number 24 and the name of the topic is linkers or connectors. Dear beloved students, two boards questions are selected from your short syllabus of annual examination. Here, Dhaka Board 2016 and Rajshahi Board 2016. These two questions will be taught with rules and regulations. Now let's have the main idea. Let's have idea about connectors or linking words from two board questions with their rules and regulations. Gold is a bright precious metal. There are many metals cheaper than gold but look like it, because this is comparative sentence. On the other hand, than is used as a connecting or linking words. They glitter well but fade in course of time. These two sentences are totally opposite, and for this reason but will be used. Actually, there are many people in our society who are outwardly gentle and nice, but after a period of time their real identity is revealed. কিন্তু সময়ের শেষে তাদের বাস্তবতা আসে, বোঝা যায়। Therefore, all that glitters is not gold. Here we have to write down therefore, because this indicate the reality of other metals and their gloriousness results in vain. However, gold is a precious metal because of its long-lasting color and glittering, but other metals are not like that. Dear beloved students, now Rajshahi Board 2016 will be discussed. Honesty is a virtue, divine virtue. The man dash possesses this quality is the happiest person in the world. Now let's have idea about that. The man dash possesses. Here the man এটার পূর্বে দেওয়া আছে, সো হু হবে, যদি এখানে স্থান থাকলে হুইজ হইতো, এরকমভাবে এটা ব্যবহৃত হবে। যদি সময় থাকতে হয় হইতো। However, dear beloved students, now come to another point. To be honest man should have trustworthiness, because nobody trusts liar. There are two sentences here, and there is a relation between the two sentences, so because will be used. Dash, on the other hand, Allah helps the honest people, so children should be taught honesty from the beginning of life. Besides, they should be taught discipline. তাই তাদেরকে কি করতে হবে? ডিসিপ্লিন শিখতে হবে। Dear beloved students, besides means পাশাপাশি। They should be taught discipline, because দেখুন, so children should be taught honesty from the very beginning of our life. Besides, they should be taught discipline. তাদেরকে কি করতে হবে? শৃঙ্খলা শেখাতে হবে। Dear beloved students, I discussed these two boards before you and tried to give you or provide you the rules and regulations of the answers which are used as connectors or linking words here. Then I am giving a summary of the two board questions. দেখুন, এখানে দেন হয়েছে ডিগ্রি, comparative degree. এখানে বাট হয়েছে because these two sentences are different in meaning. এখানে হয়েছে who because people, who কে নির্দেশ করেছে এই কারণে, কারণ মানুষকে বলা হচ্ছে। বাট দেখুন, এখানে আফটার হচ্ছে সময়ের ব্যাপারে বলা হয়েছে, এবং সর্বশেষ দেয়ারফর, এগুলোর পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে থেকে সিদ্ধান্তে আসা হয়েছে। এখানে দেখুন, এখানে ব্যক্তি আছে তাই হু ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে, কারণ আছে এখানে বিকজ ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে, অন দ্য আদার হ্যান্ড এখানে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে, সো ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে এবং শেষে বিশেষ ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে। ডিয়ার beloved students, please submit your homework number 24. Submit on Sunday. If you have any question about our class, and if you are failed to understand anything in here, please ring up me 01811933933 and before submitting your homework. Dear beloved students, please submit your homework on Sunday. I am welcoming you to my another class. Assalamu alaikum.